Hi, this is my GLP-1 journey, what I wish I knew before I started. I want to talk honestly about my own GLP-1 journey because even as a trainer and a nutrition coach, I still had to figure out what worked for my body. If you are on a GLP-1, considering one, or feeling confused about dehydration, nausea, protein, or fatigue, I want to let you know you're not alone. This is not medical advice. This is my own personal experience and what I have found has helped me as I continue my own weight loss journey. Hi, I'm Linda Lucia, founder of Endless Evolution, and I focus on strength training, nutrition, GLP-1 support, and confidence for women over 40. I decided to try tirzepatide for two reasons. First, I'm continuing my own weight loss journey, and I wanted to understand what this tool could feel like from the inside, not just from the outside looking in. Second, I have clients in my own community who are curious about GLP-1 medications. They're hearing every day about Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, Zepbound, tirzepatide, semaglutide, and they want to know how these medications fit with their strength training, their nutrition, protein, hydration, and long-term health. So for me, this wasn't a casual decision, and it wasn't about chasing a quick fix. This was a thoughtful decision made with medical guidance while continuing to focus on the things that I believe matter most, which is strength, nutrition, and confidence for someone over 40. One thing that I want to be honest about is that even with my own background, as a trainer and a nutrition coach, I still had to troubleshoot myself. For me, the biggest struggles were dehydration, nausea, hitting my protein goals, and fatigue. The dehydration and fatigue were connected for me. I noticed that if I was not staying on top of my fluids, I felt depleted. What helped me was adding an electrolyte supplement twice a day. That made a big difference in how I felt. The nausea was another thing I had to work through. What helped me was adding a small amount of carbs in the morning. That could be something as simple as a rice cake. I also realized that the whole milk that I was putting in my protein smoothie was not sitting well. So I switched to almond milk, and that was much better. For protein, I had to get very intentional. When your appetite is lower, it's easy to look at a plate and not just feel like eating anything. So I made one simple rule for myself. The first thing I eat with each meal is protein. Then, if I have room, I eat what's remaining on my plate. That's one habit what helped me stop guessing and made protein feel more manageable. What I wish more women understand is that the medication may help reduce appetite, but it doesn't automatically teach you how to nourish your body. It doesn't automatically protect your muscle. It doesn't automatically fix your relationship with food, and it doesn't replace the habits that help you feel strong long term. For me, this journey has reminded me that food is not the enemy. Food is how I nourish my body, support my muscle, my energy, my hydration, my digestion, and my confidence. The goal is not to eat as little as possible. The goal is to learn what your body needs so you can feel strong, steady, and supported. When I say strong, this is what I mean. I don't mean smaller. You can lose weight and still feel weak. You can lose weight and still feel tired. You can lose weight and still not feel confident in your body. That's why strength training, protein, hydration, and a better relationship with food, no matter what, is especially important for women over 40. A GLP-1 can be a tool, but it is not the whole solution. Your habits are what help turn this season into something that's sustainable. If you're on a GLP-1 or considering one, please talk with your healthcare provider, ask questions, understand the risks, benefits, and long-term plan. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe and please give me some comments on what you feel is a challenge for you in your GLP journey.